Hello, my name is Sean, and today we will be discussing Grizzly's line of 17-inch wood-cutting bandsaws. Our 17-inch bandsaw series has received many industry-acclaimed awards from tool tests in popular consumer magazines, as well as end-user reviews and compliments. Since we have 8 models of 17-inch bandsaws, we will break up the videos into Part 1 and Part 2, with 4 bandsaws each. This is Part 1 in the 17-inch bandsaw video series, and will cover the G0513, the G0513P, the G0513X2, and the G0513X2F. We'll cover the second set of 4 17-inch bandsaws in the Part 2 series coming soon. The G0513 and the G0513P are the same machine, with the only difference being color. The P in the G0513P stands for our Polar Bear series, which is white in color, while the G0513 is green and tan. This is a full-featured saw with big cutting capacities. A strong 2-horsepower motor that is wired for 110-volt, 220-volt single-phase power and a 12-inch resaw capacity. It comes pre-wired to 220 volts and has the power and capability to resaw all day long. It is a 2-speed saw, with the blade speeds being 1,700 and 3,500 feet per minute. Speed changes are derived with a step pulley. The range of blade width on the G0513 is 1/8 to 1 inch, and the length is 131.5 inches. With a quick change release tensioner, the blade changes are quick and easy. Also featured are European-style steel blade guides that run cooler and are extremely wear-resistant compared with other guide blocks. The cutting capacity and width is 16.25 inches. Generally, when you refer to a 17-inch bandsaw, it is close to the distance from the blade to the saw's frame. The resaw capacity, or how tall a board you can run through this saw, is 12 inches. The wheels are made of cast aluminum and are computer balanced for smooth operation. They also run on heavy-duty ball bearings. Next, I'll show you how easy it is to change the blade on this machine. First, disconnect the power from the wall power outlet. Then, flip the blade tension lever up to the loosened position on the back of the saw. Open the upper and lower wheel covers. Remove the table insert and the alignment pin. Now you're ready to slide the blade off the wheels. Turn and slide out the groove cut in the side of the table. Here's how to get your new blade in and your saw up and running. First, slide the blade through the groove in the table. Line up the new blade on the 2 wheels and through the guides. Pull the quick release lever back down and the blade is tight again. Glide the upper wheel slowly by hand to make sure the blade is properly aligned on the wheels and the blade guides. Shut both upper and lower doors. Replace the table insert and table alignment pin. Plug the cord back into the wall outlet and you are back in business. Blade tension is adjusted using the knob under the wheel cover. The quick release blade tension lever also allows you to quickly relieve blade tension when not in use, to maximize blade life, and then quickly retension the blade again when needed. Blade tracking is quick and easy using the blade tracking window and knob on the back of the bandsaw. The Euro-style steel guides have full enclosure protection. The body of this saw is made of reinforced steel. This reduces weight without sacrificing rigidity. Watch how smooth the saw is when I turn it on. The heavy-duty table is made of precision ground solid cast iron and has a gear to adjust for tilt. The table tilts 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees to the left. The machine comes complete with a heavy-duty miter gauge and deluxe extruded aluminum fence. The fence locks in place at the desired location with a quick flip of the handle. The fence lifts off the table when not needed and has a magnified cursor for measurement. Dual 4-inch dust ports allow for maximum dust collection. The floor to table height on this saw is 37.5 inches. The shipping weight of this saw is approximately 342 pounds and comes to you in a nice wood slate crate. In case you're picking this up at one of our 3 locations, let's measure it. 31 inches wide by 21 inches deep by 81 inches tall. Next, we go over the G0513X2 bandsaw. This saw has the same features as the previous G0513, with several upgrades elevated to our prestigious Extreme series. Here are the additions and improvements to this saw. The fence is cast iron instead of aluminum. An aluminum resaw fence is included with this saw, while it is optional on the G0513. This fence allows you to get your guides real close to the workpiece when working on small items. The wheels are computer-balanced cast iron instead of aluminum. The table side is extra wide and increased in size to just over 23 inches wide. And the blade guides are double ball bearings that are usually found on machines costing much more. The table trunnions are upgraded to cast iron instead of steel. The overall shipping weight is now 418 pounds compared to the 342 pounds of the G0513. Next we go over the G0513X2F. This bandsaw has the same features as the previous G0513X2, but comes with a foot brake for stopping the blade quickly. The shipping weight on this saw increases to 434 pounds over the 418 pounds of the G0513X2. CSA certification is also available for this bandsaw model. All of the 17-inch bandsaws we looked at today feature powder-coated paint to ensure a long-lasting, scratch-resistant finish. Our 17-inch bandsaws carry a 1-year warranty and are stocked at all 3 of our locations in Missouri, Pennsylvania, and Washington for same-day shipping 99% of the time. Our 17-inch bandsaws can be purchased via our toll-free number, 1-800-523-4777, by visiting one of our retail locations or on our website at www.grizzly.com. We also have an extensive parts department with over 1 million parts in stock at any given time should the need arise. Thank you for your interest in our 17-inch bandsaws. Please watch part 2 of our video series showing 4 other models with additional features, including our top-of-the-line model.